I play the organ. Je joue de l'orgue. Toco el órgano. I want an apple. Je veux une pomme. Quiero una manzana. If you notice, there is algorithm behind these languages. We have subject, verb, complement. We have input and output. But between both, there is algorithm, which give us an accurate description about what do we want to do to get the output in the organized form. So it's time to clarify this concept. Algorithm, what does it mean? The word algorithm is derived from the name of the scientist Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi, who excelled in many sciences, most notably mathematics. In fact, there were many theories and books that written by this name. The word algorithm meaning a process of rules or instructions to be followed to get the expected output from the given input. Therefore, the algorithm refers to be a collection of rules or instructions that define step by step how a work is to be executed in order to get the expected results in the given sequence. For example, I want to make pancakes, so I must have these ingredients: eggs, liquid milk, sugar, butter, vanilla, flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt as an input, and the pancakes as an output. How to prepare? Whisk the milk, egg, sugar, and butter. Mix the dry ingredients and gradually add it to the egg mixtures and stir slowly with a wooden spoon, leaving the mixture for a quarter of an hour. In a frying pan on the fire, put a quarter cup of the mixture and leave it until bubbles appear. Turn the disc and leave it brown. Then get out of the pan and add another quarter cup, and so on until the quantity is finished. Let's show you an example about the algorithm by playing cards. Here we go! How to find the needle into the haystack? Okay, the main purpose of showing you this example is just to execute a specific algorithm to find a needle in a haystack. Cards game contain 52 cards in total. So I will count to half of them, 26 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Frankly, I have seen the answer, so I will write it. This card that will appear here after counting. Okay, now I will turn the playing cards and flip the first one. 5. So 10 minus 5, so the answer is 5. In this case, I will count to 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will flip another card, 9. So 10 minus 9, the answer is 1, so 10. The last flip, 1, so 10 minus 1, the answer is 9, so it's time to count to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 1 plus 9 equal to 10, plus 5 is 15. So the card which has number 15 will be Queen Diamond. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I will use the famous quote of Yu-Gi-Oh! The Power of Choice. Flip summon. So the answer is Q Diamond. Okay, now I will explain what's happened. Okay, that's good to know about this. It's not a magic or trick. Behind the scenes, there is an algorithm. Let's illustrate what's happened step by step. First, I turn the whole playing cards. Second, I start counting by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is the solution in front of me. I have saved the 7 card in my mind, which will appear after counting. I'm still counting to reach to the 26th card. After counting to 26, I have put all the counted card in order to the same place. Then I wrote the saved card on the piece of paper and I cover it. Then I flipped the first card and start counting to the rest to 10 for 3 times in a row. After that, I started counting and stopped based on the number of sums of those 3 cards which appear on the same form of covered card. Well, we have used one algorithm to reach to one solution. Can we use many algorithms to solve one thing? Here is the following answer. Alex wakes up at 7 o'clock. He eats breakfast at 7:30. He goes to work at 8 o'clock. He works till 12 o'clock. He eats lunch and takes a break for 30 minutes. After that, he works till 5 o'clock. He backs to home at 6 o'clock. He studies from 6 to 8 o'clock. He eats dinner at 8 o'clock. He watches TV at 8:30. He goes to sleep at 9 o'clock. Recursion. On the other hand, there is Emily. She wakes up at 6 o'clock. She feeds her son from 6:30 to 7 o'clock. She cleans home till 10 o'clock. She prepares the lunch till 12 o'clock. She goes shopping till 4 o'clock. She backs to home at 5 o'clock. She teaches her children from 6 to 7 o'clock. She prepares dinner at 7 o'clock. She watches TV at 8:30. She goes to sleep at 9 o'clock. Recursion. In this example, we have shown you the simple present in English because we are talking about the habits of two people who works in different algorithms. These two circles usually work at the same time every day around 90%. There are some cases will change by the time by 10%. Maybe Alex has an appointment at the dentist at 3 o'clock, or Emily has an auto accident at 2 o'clock. The algorithm will be changed in these cases. In our daily life, there are many different algorithms which we don't feel or know them. And this is the concept of algorithms. Let's show you how to find one answer by using different ways. Well, I want to test many cases to get one answer in the case of power and multiple. So let's begin with power. So 2 power 5 divide 2 power 3. So what is the answer? In a normal way, so you can say 2 multiple 2 multiple 2 multiple 2 multiple 2. The answer is 32. Divide 2 power 3, so 2 multiple 2 multiple 2. The answer is 8. So 32 divide 8, the answer is 4. Frankly, there is a theory. When you have the same value, you can minus the power to get the result. So 2 power 5 minus 2 power 3, you can 5 minus 3, the answer is 2 power 2, and the answer is 4. Here is another example about the multiple case in a normal way. So 108 multiple 103. So as a normal way, you can start with 3 multiple 108. The answer is 324 plus 0 multiple 108, and the answer is 4 zeros plus 1 multiple 108, and the answer is 108. Don't forget zeros from each step. You should add it 1 0. And the answer will be 11,124. Algorithm, when you have the same number. This is a theory. When you have the same number, you can use those 3 steps in order. So 1, you can multiple numbers, not fixed. Some numbers not fixed and multiple with the root of multiple fixed column. Lastly, multiple fixed numbers. I can put this algorithm as a program on Python, Java, or any program language to solve it. Artificial intelligence. If I need to see the meaning of hospital, for instance, then I will open the dictionary on the alphabetical order A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Then I will return again to find O. After that, S, P, I, T, A, and L. To find the meaning of hospital. That's mean al-mustashfa. Okay, I have no idea about saying I need an apple in Turkey, and I don't know Turkish, so I will use the translator to translate what I want to say. I need an apple.
Bir elmaya ihtiyacım var.
The algorithm was completely changed by the region. You can give you a few simple instructions to the computers which can learn on their own and to find this result from the translation websites or applications. That's really all that algorithms which are mathematical instructions used for data processing and automated reasoning. That's because computers are playing increasingly important role in so many aspects of our life. When you want the computer do anything, you have to write a computer program. To write a computer program, you have to tell the computer step by step exactly what you want to do it. The computer then executes the program following each step mechanically to accomplish the end goal. When you are telling the computer what to do, you also get to choose how it's going to do it. That's where computer algorithms come in. Some computers' algorithms are designed to allow computers to learn on their own. Uses for machine learning include data mining and mathematical creations. Determine what do you see in your Facebook feed, what ads you see in YouTube, and what do you want to search on Google. Finally, in my opinion, by the way, for your information, IMOBTWFYI, you have killed your language by these shortcuts and your brain will forget the origin. And this is the bad things that will influence on your life, such as this organ, which contains many instruments. I can use the guitar, for example, or piano, or accordion. Today I can use it as an application on my phone. In fact, it's just a machine. Keep in mind that behind any artificial intelligence, there is an intelligent human mind. And here is the proof.